Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted much video lately because I haven't been doing much. It's wintertime, despite what it looks like outside. It's January already, and there's no snow, so it's one of those years. Today I'm going to be popping in all this into this computer right here. This is my cousin's computer. He wants to use this one. This one's more like a server computer. Has several bays. Show you down here. Several bays for other hard drives. Two at least, I think, for actually more than that. Damn, three, I think, for CD drives. He has a tiny little motherboard here, so I'm really probably not going to touch much. We do have some more memory right here that I'm going to put in here. I don't know what this processor is, and I kind of don't want to touch it. I do have some more processors, but I don't know if they're going to fit. I'm not going to bother with it. He just wants a new computer that's going to work. We're going to do that. And I'm going to put in that nice new power supply here. A PX750. Nothing crazy, but certainly enough for what he'll be using it for, along with these nice RGB lights. So I'm going to take everything out of here. Actually, you know what? Let me start over here. Put in the lights, and then I'll see if I can swap here. But I'm just going to put everyone up over here, and we'll go from there. All right, we got the other side too here now, just to get the hard drive out. Yeah, he has a 450 in here, as you can see. This might be too bright for the camera. There you go. It is a 450. So the 750 will be a great improvement. I'm just going to leave that in there. I'll take it out later. Don't need to take it out now, And cool. And we got a nice 2 terabyte. Oh wow, that's actually pretty big. So put that in there shortly. But I think we're all done with this husk now. God, this thing's... I'm going to have to go outside and blow this out. You can see how bad the dust is. It's pretty nasty in there. So do that now. Okay, hopefully that's good. Attach my light to this. Alright, so what are we looking at here? We got to get these fans out. I think all of them, even the ones in there. Oh boy, that one might be staying in there. We might just keep that one in there. Let's get rid of this dead spider web here. Okay, this is the first time I'm opening this stuff up. I gave it to him for Christmas last year, I think. Okay, just a Corsair control panel. Don't worry about that in a moment after I install the actual fans. We got 3 fans. Ah, nice. Just like mine and my computer. So we're going to do front, bottom, top, back. This is pulling air. This is pushing air. So we're just going to put the 3 up at the top here. Keep this here because it's nice and big. But he'll have nice lights up on the top. I probably could do some vent in from the bottom. Man, this is dirty. It's been in the basement for God knows how long. See the dust particles. These shouldn't be coming up through here. These need to come up through a different spot. Put that right there because the motherboard needs to be going right there. Alright, and I put that over there. Yeah, let's put the fans in just so they're out of the way. I don't have to have anything else in the way while I'm installing them. So, there we go. Oh, so very pretty. Pretty clear. 2 RGB hub, which will go in through here. So we want to vent air out the top. So we're going to do this. Yep, one right here. It's as far over as I can put it. And we got plenty of screws here. I don't know what's going on over here. So yeah, let me install these and we'll go from there. So I've discovered that the fans won't line up properly with the things here, so I'm going to move this one over a little bit more. But there wasn't really any good spot to put these, like specifically, like besides up this top row here. I would have liked to put them a little bit lower, but I guess it doesn't matter. If the CPU fan's blowing up, it's going to be sucked out by both of these, and I guess closer to this end is going to be fine. And this is up top too, so whatever. They're up top. I'm going to have these fans touching on their sides here, and that should be just fine. It works, you know, as long as they're hooked up. And then we will start the process of getting the motherboard back in here. The other one didn't have a CD drive, so I'm going to have to pop this hole back up tight. I thought I had a spare one, but I got no clue where the heck it is. So if I find it, I'll put it in there, but if not, he just wanted a CD drive. He's more into records anyway, so it shouldn't matter. Alright. Alright, so let's get this guy out. Show you this. Ugh. Stuck in there with air or something else. Something else is making it stick in here. So we're going to do this. See what is going on here. absolutely nothing. All right. Some nice twisty ties, main power cable. I got no idea what the heck that is. Bunches of oats. And the big boy itself. Keep that box. Those boxes are great. All right. Nice. Hell yeah. All right. So this goes out this way. Let's pop this back down over here. There we go. Find the screws for that. And there they are. That's for those. And we got a nice little sticker for the front or top. Oh, beautiful. He'll love that. Maybe the side over here or something. Worry about that later. Not important. Get these open. One thing I do like about computer parts is they all use the same Phillips head size, which is nice. Alright, I think I'm ready to... Yeah, there's so much room in here, damn. Mine is like this big. What do we got here? Doesn't even label itself. I think we're gonna have to stand this thing up now. It's about that time. Let's get the power in though first. There we go. Put it in slot 2 here. There we go. Those other ones that I found are not the right size, so I'm not going to use those. I cannot. Alright, so I got to figure out where this is coming from here. Okay, that's that fan. So I got to just figure out where the front fans are. USB right there. There's a lot of little pin cables that are being blocked by this now. Hopefully I don't have to use those. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. Pop these in through here, I suppose. Alright. Wow, those are way too long in my honest opinion. Alright, what do we got here? Actually, you know what we'll do? Let's put these in the front here. Yeah, there's no reason why we can't just pull them in through here. Cinch them up a little bit. Yep, everything's just on the floor now. You can go like this with it. Keep it right there. We should probably move that up a little bit. I can't even move it up. This is in the way. That's a mess. Well, I'll have enough outward flow, especially from up, so hopefully it'll just be mostly this way for the air, which is fine. There's so much room here. You can put a fan down here if it needs to. Maybe I could use one of those black ones that I took out, pop it down there. Okay, we got the hard drive SATAs in. So there's that. I'm going to start plugging in the CPU stuff. As you can see, I was able to manage. I did manage to put everything underneath here and also plug this in. So hopefully that's in nicely. So I discovered that the front fan over here. Oh, that's the back. What the heck? The front fan was up here, and it was a bitch to take off because I had to take off the hard drive assembly. And the reason why I had to take it off was because the power that it requires does not have a spot on the motherboard, and I don't have any converter cable. The spot that it could have gone into is taken up by the back fan, which I think is more important because it's right by the CPU and such. So I put in the old fan from his other computer that had a old power. It wasn't SATA, IDE. It had an old IDE power to it. So that one will get powered, and that's going right through the hard drive, so the hard drives will be nice and cool. And I put the original one back in, and I put them on the inside this time, so that when you can unscrew them from the outside, so you don't have to take off the hard drive assembly again. Anyways, so now I'm just going to wire up the fans on the top here, and I'll just speed up through that, and then we'll do a test run, test launch. I don't know if I have a computer screen around here I can test it with, but that might be his battle to face in terms of reimaging the computer, and we'll go from there. All right, I'm doing a test boot. Just plugged it in. Oop, I turned it off. The fans aren't working. The back fan works. Front fan down here works. Sounds like it's loading Windows out of this hard drive. No BIOS beeps. I think we have success here, minus the fans. Oh, did it just restart? It just restarted on its own. Maybe it booted up into the BIOS. No beeps though, so I think that's a success. I just got to figure out why these top fans aren't working. Maybe they need more power. So that one and all these need power. There's a little port right over here. Oop, that I need to get a hub for, where that plugs in, and that way all 5 of these fans will be on the same plug. So this right here is the hub I was talking about. It is just like a 5 splitter for CPU fans and fans in general. So the back fan, the front fan, and then the 3 RGB fans are going to go all into there. And here we have the finished product. You can see the fans aren't spinning, but I'm just going to give it to him like this. If he needs more cooling power, which I doubt he will for his everyday use, we can plug him in. But that's what it looks like for now, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's not like not state of the art, but he can expand and he can grow with this setup. So I think it'll be good for him. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope everything's going well, and you like this. I have plenty more coming of all sorts of tech work. So thanks for sticking around. Bye.